So easy to love, easy to idolize all others above. All right, warming up the voice here in the morning so I can talk to you. Welcome back. I'm going to cover the song Easy to Love. And, you know, I'm always looking around for new harmonic discoveries, things I can put to use. But the harmonic thing I discovered in this song, and this goes back again to the moving from the 3 chord to the diminished chord on the flat 3 to the 2 chord, all right? And a lot of times it applies if you're going the other way, but more often you're going in this direction. Now, before I go through the song, let me just show you what it is. So, now I know you're going to think this is the same thing I've covered before, and it kind of is, but it's just a little variation on it. As we go to the diminished chord, Barry Harris has, explained this pretty nicely, that you can turn this diminished chord into one of 4 dominant chords, like just by lowering a note like that. You get an E flat 7th. All right, and another one you can get is F sharp 7th. And these are very nice substitutions. You can, use them in improvisation. You can use them just in your chords. But here's a variation on it that I did not realize. We take our diminished chord, and instead of lowering a step, we'll raise it a step. So now we have a half-diminished chord. And guess what? All 4 of these half-diminished chords will work. So we're raising this one, and we're getting that. So check it out. All right, now you're going to say, well, that's just an E flat 7th, with the 9th on it. Yeah, I know, but, this is going to work. Check it out. All right, now what's another one? Let's move this note up by half step. And now we've got like a G minor 6 chord. As the bass. You see, that sounds pretty nice. Now let's try raising another note. Let's raise this one. And you say, well, okay, that one doesn't work. But actually it does. It's just as dissonant as you can get. Let's make it a B flat 7th. Got the flat 9, the sharp 9. What do you got here? You got the flat 9, the sharp 9, the sharp 11, and we can add the 13 to it. All right, and there's our chord. Okay, see? It's hard to hear, but it does work. Might want to leave a note or 2 out of that one. Yeah. All right, let's run over the song. I took this out of the Great Gig book. There is a chart in one of the real books that I like better, but I'm going to use this one and just show you how to reharmonize it a little bit. You'd be... Just go to a D minor. All right, that's just a cool change. You'd be so easy to love. What if you were playing it down here? I wouldn't add anything to that chord. Not a 7th, not a 9th, not a 2nd, not nothing. Let's do it like that. Just using basic open voicings. Make this dominant if you wanted to, or all right, here's E7. We can put the flat 9 in. Somebody asked me about this. How would you add the flat 9 to a left-hand chord? If you're just doing this, you could stick it there, but it doesn't sound very good there. It's hard to reach here because then you have to give up an important note, so put it in with your other hand. And leave out the 5. That leaves you free to put in like a flat 5 or a sharp 5. You can call it a flat 13. All those are good chords. And now I don't know where I am. Oh yeah. There we are, going to the second, or the first ending. So worth the yearning for. See right there is a passing chord. Lots of ways to go if you are a Barry Harris fan. So swell to keep all the home fires burning for. You'd be so grand at the game, carefree together that it does seem a shame that you can't see your future with me, 'cause you'd be oh so easy to love. Oh, and then how do you get back to A minor? Yeah, do the move. 1, 4, 3, 6. All right, what's another way we could get back there? Just put a 5 in front of it, the E7. Yeah, that's another move. 1, 2, 3. Take your pick. And go back into, because that's that flat 3. At least 27 different chords are possible here. No, I just made up that number. But sheet music is in the description. Links to PayPal and what's that other one? Patreon. And I treasure and value your support. I'm going to be back with a bunch of more videos this month. I'm going to do a lot of work with the blues and some rootless voicings. And my hand is pretty much healed back up. It's still a little bit stiff, but it's working good enough to play all the things I like to play. And I appreciate all your well wishes. Talk to you again real soon. Bye.